Want to remove a credit card from your Cash App? It's a simple process designed to keep your account secure. First, open the Cash App on your device. Tap your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Next, navigate to either My Cash or Banking, depending on your app version. From there, you'll see a list of your linked cards. Select the credit card you want to remove. Finally, tap the Remove option. You may be prompted to confirm with your password or biometric authentication, like Face ID or fingerprint. Once confirmed, the card is instantly unlinked from your account. Need to add a credit card back onto Cash App? Start by tapping Add a Card in the app. Then enter your card details, including the number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Cash App will verify the card, often with a small temporary charge that's quickly refunded. This verification may also involve SMS confirmation or biometric scanning. If you encounter issues like a card stuck in pending status, contact Cash App support through the app or website. 24/7 live chat is now available. Remember, Cash App uses tokenization to protect your data, so your full card number isn't stored on your device. Removing and re-adding cards is a safe and straightforward way to manage your payment methods on Cash App.